You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this name. It's the name of a British overseas territories, but also a name of a peak, a mountain in Spain, and a locale in Spain as well, and an island. Montserrat is how it's said in English, now for reference in Spanish or Catalan. Montserrat, Montserrat is how you say it, Montserrat, or in English, Montserrat, Montserrat, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.